How to fix Telkomsel 5G not working. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your 5G network for Telkomsel is not working. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are using Telkomsel and your 5G is not working, the first thing is that your device must be 5G compatible. So not all the devices, especially budget devices, are compatible with 5G networks. So you have to make sure that you are using a device that has 5G enabled and it is compatible. The second is you have to make sure that you are in an area where it is covered by 5G networks. So if in the area that you live in there is no 5G network, then that could also be the case. Then you also have to make sure that 5G profile is activated within your settings. So you can open up your settings, then go to connections over there, something like that. Then you can go to your mobile networks, and under network mode for any of your SIM card, you have to make sure 5G preferred is enabled and not just LTE, which is 4G. So after you make sure of that, that should help you solve the problem. If not, you can try to contact the customer support of Telkomsel and ask them as to why 5G is not working in your phone, because you have to contact the courier in that case. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.